Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Sandra. Thank you so much for joining me today, as usual. Today we are going to talk about my new sub kit that came in from Planners Anonymous. This is chapter 6. I swear, the last time I did a video, I thought I was already doing chapter 6, but I guess that must have been chapter 5. So this one is, I can't remember if they called it like Hot Summer Night or what it was, but the main character in this one is Marco. So I'm not sure if he is just a dance instructor for the main character or if he is her boyfriend. But I'm going to go with dance instructor because it doesn't look like there's like personal relationships. But the themes that I see when I look through here, so number one, the flower is a poppy, which is one of my all-time favorite flowers. I just don't plant them in my garden. I did one year when my son was older, but when my daughter and my baby were born, I stopped planting poppies because if you don't know, all parts of the poppy plant are poisonous. So if ingested, you can get very, very ill. So the poppy is one of my favorite flowers. And there is also like movie, hot city, hot nights in the city, I should say, carnival, and like fireworks, which is part of the carnival. So those are like the sub themes plus the dancing. So I thought that was kind of cool, because Sammy and Michael were saying that there were, 4 to 5 sub themes in every kit, every monthly kit. So let's go through all of the things. I'll go through the papers first. This kit, for me, it's personally not inspiring. I don't have a planner other than my red Reese planner. I guess I have that one, but this kit wouldn't go with any of my binders. So, I mean, perhaps in the future, right? There's always a possibility of that. So the first paper are these dance steps. So it's like the shoes and then like the arrows to show where the dance step would be. The color on this is like this tan color for the back. The next paper is the dance studio, and I do like how they've incorporated the poppies as wallpaper on the wall. The color of that is blue. The next is a watercolor poppy painting. I love this. As you might know, poppies come in all different colors. They are red, mostly orange, yellow, and white. I don't think you can have pink poppies, but you never know. Pink on the background of that one. And then this one is the picture one, but it's got like movie passes, the movie strip, pictures of the dancing. I don't understand what, I know it's a petting zoo and it's to go with the carnival type theme, but this to me, it's like one little picture of this like lamb or whatever it is, a sheep, baby sheep. I don't get that. It's one. But anyway, I like the poppies, and I love like the hot savanna, like I want to call it hot savanna nights because it's what it reminds me of, but I like this. I like, the picture of like the city and the flowers and the dancing. I think that's nice. And like the movie theme. I don't know. I think I see where they're going. I just don't get the lamb there. Okay. The color of that is red. Then you've got the movie picture scene. I actually enjoy this. I really like that a lot. It's kind of cool. And like the couple sitting in the theater. I like the red and the black tones of it, and this kind of looks like the Edmonton skyline. I mean, it probably looks like a lot of like city skylines, but for sure it looks like the Edmonton skyline. Okay, and then we've got the acetate and the vellum. So the vellum again is the footprints with the different arrows on there, and then the acetate is a clear one with white poppy flowers at the very bottom. Okay, so that is it for the papers. I mean, they are kind of cool. I like the idea behind it. Just some of the things I'm like, they don't jive well with me. The stamps. So you've got the steps, the movie tickets. I don't know why you would have a blackout one, unless they're supposed to be black, or unless it's raised edge, so it just does the edge. I don't really know that. But the women's shoes, the men's shoes. And then it's got the poppy flower, but it also still has the firework. So I think you can use those as fireworks, or I don't know if you can use them. Like, to me, when I was looking through the stickers, there was one sticker in there that looked like a firework, or it could be used as like a dandelion seed, like when it goes to seed and it's all puffy. It kind of looks like that too. But anyway, so you've got like the 5-star review. You've got some little icons down here. So that's cool if you're into stamping. We've also got the art cards. So again, this one is shiny and the colors are a bit more like vibrant and dark and bold. This one's a bit matted. They come from different suppliers. That is the reason why. And then it's got, they both have the writing on here. It says, Hola mi amor, summer is in full swing. I'm not going to read all of it actually, but it's a letter from Marco. So I don't know if he is just a dance instructor, but I don't think he's like her lover. I think he's the dance instructor, even though he says mi amor, but I don't know. But you can tell he's like Latino. And we've got all of the die cuts. So I think they're really cool. I think the colors, like, you know, you've got your blues in there, your red and your gray and blacks. So I like that. I mean, you could probably use it with a host of different binders or different planner covers. Okay, then we've got the washi tape card. There we go. It says, Baby, you're a firework, Hot Summer Nights. That's the name of the kit, is Hot Summer Nights. And the little journaling cards. This one says, I want to feel the heat with somebody, as in the Whitney Houston song. I love that. That is so pretty. Then the poppy, the watercolor poppy, a smush on the painting on the back. Baby, you're a firework. This one has the picture that I'm not sure I'm in love with. I don't know if I like that. It's bugging me. It's driving me crazy. Okay. A popcorn in a movie. How corny. I like that one. Cute. This is the journaling one. What are you most passionate about? This one is, what was your favorite event? Okay. Then you've got the little, it's a notepad, but it's not sticky. This is just like for a little note. But then this is the little sticky notepad. Okay. And then last, well, not last, stickers are always last. Let's do the washi tape swatches. So I'll put it in my little work notebook here, all of the other washi tape. I just have to count back here. So we had number 1, I did it backwards, number 2, right? Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Oh my God, they did mess up. This is supposed to be number 7, you guys. Right? I'm not wrong. I can't be wrong here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am right. I'm just going to go get my other sticker book just to confirm with that, because I think it's supposed to have, no, okay, I have not watched the live for Planners Anonymous, so they probably said, oh, we made a mistake. This is supposed to say 7. So I'm just going to go double check. I'll be right back. Right. Okay. So that's funny. They must have just messed up on the folders, because this says 7 here. Okay. So it says 7 on the package. This one says 6. So yeah, I think they just messed up on the stickers. Not a big deal, as long as everything else is good. Okay, so that's number 7, not number 6. So let's go ahead and swatch all of these washi tapes. Alright guys, so that's it for the washi. I love the poppy washi tape. It is beautiful. I'm obsessed. I actually don't even mind, like the paint smush ones aren't really like that great to me. I mean, if you're just using it to fill up a page in a journal or a planner, then whatever, it's fine. When I collect washi tape, I'm very picky with my washi. I only get the ones. This is actually part of the reason why I quit my Simply Gilded subscription, because while Simply Gilded washi tape from Irene is my favorite in the world, I was getting just too many that I would never use. So I kept finding I was going to give them all away. And I'm like, okay, from now on, if I'm going to get washi tape from anyone, I will buy it and pick it out myself. So it might not be matching sets. So yeah, I told myself that I would only buy ones I wanted. And so I do that now with Simply Gilded. But because this kit, like the washi kit, comes with other stuff, I don't do that with this. And plus, I am planning on using some of the kits eventually. It might be next year. So I'm going to be using the washi tape to go along with that month's theme. So I'm using them. Like, I will be using them eventually. Okay, so now for the stickers. Like I actually do like this one too. I like this with the shadow of them dancing, and I also like the fan. That's really cool. I've been meaning to buy one of those fans, but I can't get one that actually stays open, so I don't know how it really works. So we've got 2 packs of stickers because I get the sticker kit as well as the planner one? Because I have the paper kit, the planner kit, and then the sticker kit. Yeah, so I get 2 packs of stickers, and it's the most similar to the old subscription that they had last year and before. So let's go through the weeks first. So this one is the carnival, but see, this is the sticker I was talking about. So they still have like some of that dandelion theme in there because they resemble fireworks so much. So they kind of made it look like a firework. But this is the first week, and then this is the decorative kit for that week. So here's the little like petting zoo theme that I'm just like, that doesn't fit in the papers. But you know, like if you use it within the weekly kit, it will work. Sorry, it's my bird. Now they're going to a movie. So they went to the carnival, they're going to a movie. And oh, let me tell you guys, so this is just a little like side thing, is that I took my son to the movie Twisters the other day. It was based in Oklahoma, of course, because it's like #1 state for like tornadoes. But it scared him so much. And it wasn't even that scary. It was like really interesting because I went to school for meteorology when I was younger. And it was just something that I really loved watching. And I always wanted to be a tornado chaser. I mean, not that I ever did or ever would now because I've got kids. But still, back in the day, that's what I wanted to do. And it was so exciting. And I had my first bag of popcorn. I shared it with my son. But we haven't had movie theater popcorn in over 1.5 years. Like I think the last time, maybe it's been 2.5 years. I have not been to a theater in that long because it was such a long time ago, and because movies are so pricey nowadays and we can barely afford food because everything is expensive. So I used my scene points and we went, and it was amazing. I loved it. We had we had popcorn. It was great. And now I want to go back to another movie. So anyway, this kind of resonates with me, and I love that. I love the theater. I forgot how much I enjoyed going to movies. Okay, then this is the decorative one. I love the film strip. I love the single kernels of popcorn. I think that's adorable. And then we've got the dancing. So this is where she goes dancing. And look, all of the pretties. I love the dress and the fan and the shoes. They are beautiful. Okay, and then more decorative parts for that. And I love this too. It's like the music book. And then it's like the journaling part of it, the last week of the kit. So you can write little notes to yourself in here. This is a sidebar that is all one piece. And I love that. And again, the flowery decorative aspect of it. Okay. And then the last page, of course, is one that you can rip. So you can rip them and put them in the corners or on the bottom of the page, whatever you need to do. So that is the first side. And now these ones are all decorative. And some of them, there's some words and stuff involved here. So this is Marco. It says, find your sparkle. A summer set. I don't really understand this. I don't know if the words were meant to be this way. But it says, a summer set in the nights we're getting hot and spicy in the city. I don't know. I think that's a run-on sentence and it doesn't make sense. This one is a clear page. It says, escaping the heat. Another clear page full of poppies, which I adore. Then come the minis. Then some of the headers. Then the word Fetty page. Now I can't stop saying word Fetty. Then the square boxes. And then this is the bubble with the folding planner and some of the icons, the round stickers and the bubble stickers. And then finally the last page that you can rip up. So that is it for chapter 7. Yes, not 6, 7. And the more I look at the stickers, the more I enjoy this kit. I just can't see myself using it anytime soon because like I told you guys before, I have all these themes in mind for this year. But for next year, I have no idea what I'm doing. I might do a combination. Maybe I'll do some of the kits and like I'll use whatever binder that goes with Planners Anonymous kit. Or maybe I'll just do my own thing, or maybe I'll still do like a theme of my own, like and order Etsy stuff and do my own planner charms. I haven't quite decided, but I do realize that this year, since I've been doing all of my own, it's been very rigorous, and I don't want to feel so pressured in having to create like a certain theme of stickers every month and make a whole bunch of planner charms, because now that I've got all these planner charms, I think I'm sitting on a lot of inventory and I don't really need like, and not inventory is in, they're all made, because I do kind of make custom order. Like I make them to order. So if somebody wants like a pink one or a blue one, like depending if the option is there, then I do that. So it's not like they're all made necessarily, but it's just, I think I'm just going to like pull back on making new charms for now, and then eventually like maybe I'll come back to that. But I think next year I'm definitely going to change things up. Points, I think I talked about this in the last subscription, but Jane's Agenda is changing. They're no longer offering half letter unpunched. They'll only have like junior size, which is half letter, but it's punched for disc, and I can't use it in my Franklin binder. And technically I still can, but I'm going to have like the hole punches over the disc, which sometimes doesn't work out. So I'm thinking of maybe still getting Jane's Agenda just for my work planner, and then maybe showing that in my videos more. But I might go with Cocoa Daisy. I'm kind of interested in what they have to offer. They've got lots of different subscription options, so I might take a look over there and see what they offer. But I'm not going to stop Planners Anonymous, and I'm excited to see what they have ready for next year. I know it's kind of in the works. It's something they've been thinking about, talking about. So I got to get my butt in gear and watch those live so I know what's going on. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was kind of interesting to see all the new tidbits. I like seeing how they change it up every month. Sorry, that's my dog going crazy in the background. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys stopping by to watch this video. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not new and just haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the bell button too, so you'll be notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.